So I have been using this oil from this day to this day, which is 2 weeks. So I decide to share the secret today because all the time I always try something, anything, whatever I put out there on the internet, because since everything is all over the internet and also so confusing, I always try what it would do for us. That is me. With that being said, so many of us, aloe vera is been work for us, and also in hair mask and hair oil and anything, but we give up doing that, using that. Why? Because we get irritated to behind the ears, the neck, and also in the scalp. That is because you guys don't wash properly. After you cut all the spiky aloe vera, leave it 15 minutes in the water. After that, wash it out. Make sure that yellow stuff come out. That is a poison. That is the thing that make you irritated to your skin. That is why you give up something really good worked for you. I know aloe vera work because it does for me. He's my best friend. I even have hair growth oil. So with that being said, I cut it like this to show you, if you don't have a blender, you can use whatever is available to you. You can cut it with the knife so small like this and then do it. However, in today's video, we're going to be blended. So with that being said, like I said, make sure you wash it. After you wash, if you have a blender, blend it like this and put it clove seed or clove, how you call it. Clove is really good for you, for your hair, for dandruff, for premature gray hair. However, if your aloe vera leaf is smaller than mine, make sure to put 1 tablespoon. I put it 2 tablespoons. That is because my aloe vera is big enough. Otherwise, it causes your hair dry. As much as you do goodness for your hair, if you use too much clove, it dry out your hair. So we can leave it for 10 minutes high flame like this. Make sure it doesn't get burned. And also another thing, make sure to use anti-stick pan for your aloe vera oil to be not to stick. So now after 10 minutes we keep in high flame. We're gonna slow down the flame at this point to keep stirring until the liquid completely separate from the oil from the liquid. Do you see this? It's pure oil. Make sure it is pure oil because we do not need to put in the fridge. We're gonna keep our oil as long as possible outside shelf life. With that being said, this oil, if you make it like this, it will last up to 18 months without nothing happen to it. But I'm sure you won't be using for that long, as long as you didn't make a lot. With that being said, because it's so powerful, it works simply. 3 ingredients. I use sunflower oil for myself. You can use avocado oil, coconut oil, olive oil. That oil supported the flame. Please don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel for more.